we just pray you'll continue to give our president the strength that he needs to lead our great nation as we come back to one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them.
Breaking tonight, a strong earthquake rocking Northern California. The magnitude 5.6 quake rattling homes and businesses there. Power knocked out tonight for thousands. That quake centered near Redwood Valley, California, well north of San Francisco. Tonight, reports of multiple injuries and aftershocks now being reported, and what scientists are now saying about this. Trevor Ault from California.
This is the moment a 5.6 magnitude earthquake rocked rural Northern California, causing injuries and sending groceries and bottles off shelves, smashing onto the floor.
I started hearing like glass clicking together, and I'm like, what is that?
Renee Everode heard the earthquake alert on her phone inside the store just before the shaking started.
I was like shaking from head to toe. My hands were shaking. I was watching wine bottles drop and just break and the wine go everywhere. I was watching wine bottles drop and just break and the wine go everywhere. I was watching wine bottles drop and just break and the wine go everywhere. It felt like it lasted for 20 minutes.
The quake was captured on home security cameras like this one, miles from the epicenter near the town of Willits.
Is everyone okay?
Rattled residents then surveying the damage, power knocked out for thousands.
I've never been in an earthquake this big, and I've been in a lot of earthquakes. This was bad.
They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Shall be given into his hand until the time and times and the dividing of time.
Good evening and welcome to our viewers in the West. It is hard to believe, but we're witnessing the clock turning backwards. We're witnessing the clock turning backwards.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom. This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling.
Say your prayers.
My life. Let's go.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
You guys know what this represents? Well, at least the coffee was.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ! What's your name?
Jason.
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
The red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
I lost it, Billy. Don't be mad. Just floated off. But Bill, if you'll come with me, you'll float too.
It's really crowded in here. Keep the change.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
Shit!
You'll float too. 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 You'll float.
What's the storm? Could be we're calm before the storm.
What storm is
We have the world's great military people in this room. I will tell you that.
And held him tight. But instead of saying thank you, that snake gave her a vicious bite. Take me in, O tender woman. Take me in for heaven's sake. Take me in, O tender woman. Sighed the vicious snake. I have saved you, cried the woman. And you've bitten me, heavens why? You know your bite is poisonous, and now I'm going to die. Oh, shut up, silly woman, said the reptile with a grin. You knew damn well I was a snake before you took me in.
Ooh, we can see so